The international freshman year will start from a GPA of 2.5 and a TOEFL of 65. And for direct entry, GPA 3.0, TOEFL 90. And there's the amount there, 22,000 per year, which works out at around 88,000 for the whole degree. And there's also an extra $3,000 housing scholarship as well. So let me briefly go through the international freshman year for undergraduate programs. Okay. The international freshman year will start from a GPA of 2.5 and a TOEFL of 65. There is no SAT required for the international freshman year. Okay. And for direct entry, GPA 3.0, TOEFL 90. There is an SAT required, or you can do an internal mathematics test as well. Assessment. So you don't actually have to have SAT. We can provide you with an internal assessment, which you can do. You can do through in Thailand, and this takes you straight through, obviously, to year 1, year 2, year 3, year 4, and then you graduate after that. The only difference between the international freshman and the direct entry, again, lower English language level required for entry, but more English language and study skill support to help you as well. So it really sort of, how can I say, it is almost a softer landing. It's an easier arrival academically, a more sensitive arrival academically, the international freshman year, because it has that extra sort of level of support. In terms of example programs, and this is very much an example program that you could study at IIT, it's very math heavy. So you've got to be, some of the programs are quite math heavy, not all of them, but some of them. So there'll be math pre-calculus classes. You'll have maybe a computer module, a science module, free elective, and then a seminar, okay? And then maybe a math module, computer science elective module, and then an interprofessional projects program, which is the iPro project, which we talked about. That would be like, for example, a 2-semester approach that you could look at. Plus, you'd have your English language support if you need it. And that would maybe be a first-year computing student would do that. But you can also do different science modules as well. All right. So this is an example of a computing student timetable as well. In terms of degree programs that you can do for the bachelor degree program, we have the Armour College of Engineering, okay, which does things like biomedical engineering, cell tissue, okay, medical imaging track, chemical engineering, architectural engineering, okay, computer and cybersecurity is very popular at the moment. Electrical engineering is one of the top programs in the US, and ranked very highly by the Shanghai ranking index as well. Aerospace, materials engineering is very popular at the moment as well. And some of the Lewis Colleges of Science, the Lewis College of Science and Letters, you've got biochemistry, bioanalytical chemistry, applied analytics, physics, statistics, medicinal chemistry, environmental chemistry, global studies, humanities, okay, psychology is very popular as well for a lot of students, statistics, okay, social economic development, so a wide range there. Environmental chemistry, very popular. You've got the computing department as well, where you've got computer information systems, computer science, applied cybersecurity, AI, again, very popular. And for undergraduates, they can do business administration as well. And the very popular Bachelor of Architecture program as well. Interestingly enough, our architect students who want to go on and do further architecture studies have actually gone on to places like Harvard, for example. So the graduate progression from undergraduate is very strong to other universities as well. Okay. Admissions requirement, we talked about that for the international freshman year is 2.25. SAT not required. English level is a TOEFL of around 665. In terms of the fee structure, it's 47,480, with housing and dining at 13,582, and there's a health insurance at 1,499. We do offer scholarships though, okay, and those scholarships are up to, for undergraduate, 22 to 25,000 US dollars. So there are scholarships available, so please do apply for that. And we would love to consider applications for scholarships from our students. In terms of direct undergraduate, okay, the GPA is 3.0 and the TOEFL is 90, and the price is the same. There's no difference in the price of that. This scholarship amount is actually wrong. We can go up to 22,000 US dollars, so ignore that. It's a slightly older one. But we do also offer an Elevate scholarship to students as well, which is an extra 5,000 on top of the 22,000, which you can apply for whilst you're at Illinois Tech. Okay, and there's the amount there, 22,000 per year, okay, which works out at around 88,000 for the whole degree. And there's also an extra $3,000 housing scholarship as well, which can be awarded for you. And remember, this is, per year. So it's for year 1, it's for year 2, it's for year 3, and it's for year 4, that scholarship, okay?